I'm gonna change my secondary to.
Hello guys, welcome back to another Phantom Forces video, and today I'm going to be doing pistols only on the map. That was my brother, please excuse him. And yeah, can you please
Dude, he's
stop?
so gay.
Yeah, he is. And so we're gonna be doing pistols only. Are you gonna be doing pistols only with us? Are you going to be doing pistols only with me?
Maybe.
Okay, my pistol
Maybe.
today will be M45A1 or all the pistols that I choose from. So let's
Yay,
get
you're on my
started.
team.
Alright, let's do this.
Oh, come on, it's capture the flag. Okay, that game doesn't suck.
Disgusting!
Disgusting!
Okay, can I get up there? Thank you, okay. I have caused a worthy distraction to get my teammate not murdered. Hey, yo, I hear you.
My game sound is gonna be so loud, dude. My bad.
It's alright.
I'm at the flag. I'm at the flag.
Tell me. Alright, I gotta go outside and help you.
Alright, I got it. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot.
Oh, ow.
Wait, that was you? You're on the opposite team?
No.
I thought you were on mine.
No, I am on your team.
Oh, I thought I saw a person named Tally Ho. Oh, wait, that was the other Tally.
Yes, there are 2 tallies in this game.
Oh, shoot.
Tap, fire, tap, fire. Tap, tap, tap.
Stuck in this maze. Wait, where do I go? Why is this a map? Why does this have to be a... Oh my god. And this is a dead end.
I could have gotten a
You're
triple.
lost. I'm lost. I'm lost inside a building.
I'm dying inside. What about you?
I'll finally find my way out.
I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna flank.
Uh-oh. I got it again. Oh shit, they're on me, they're on me.
I'm doing 5 and 3. Oh, you're doing 7 and 1. Nice.
Oh my god. Now I'm 7 and 2.
Our flag was stolen. I might need to use my...
My flag was stolen?
Yeah. Oh, never mind. It wasn't.
Yoink!
Got one.
Can someone else get the flag? Because I don't want to do it all the time.
Someone is... How'd he get up there? Oh.
What? Who's Skunky Pet? I just drop shot at a guy. Nice. Scott, oh my god! Someone get the flag! Tally, why can't you get the flag? I don't want to get the flag every single time. Hello, is anyone there?
Hello? I'm just trying to get kills.
Don't get kills, get the flag, because I don't want to
Alright.
freaking do all the work.
I'm gonna rush him with the pistol. Oh, someone got the flag.
Alright, someone's capturing it.
Why didn't my thing shoot?
Wait, did you get the flag?
I almost did. And I spawn and die.
No!
Why? I'm literally just running around the pistol, and he was sitting there at the flag, and I literally saw him shoot my teammate. So therefore, I saw him. Oh, of course.
I'm rushing. I'm rushing. I'm rushing.
No, now Chocolate's acting like he didn't vote kicked.
Guys, help! Help!
Yes,
Help.
you did.
Help! Help me! Help me!
My gun does not shoot!
Are you out of ammo or something? Like,
Dude, this guy just got a quad. A quintuple.
my hands are legit sweaty. My heart is actually beating fast.
Oh, we're capturing.
Because
We're capturing.
I know I am.
That's you?
I do not want to be spotted, please. No! Oh my god. Now, oh, I was so close.
Alright, I'm using a different pistol.
Legit. All my teammates suck.
Hey!
Except you. My teammates actually suck. Thank you, random person who's getting a flag.
But our flag is stolen.
I know.
Might be another stalemate. This pistol's really good.
Who, me?
No, this pistol's really good. The 5.7.
You said you're doing really good.
I am not. Why did it get all of a sudden so quiet in the game?
I wanted to get the flag, but because I need to rank up.
Finally, I got him.
This boy ain't stealing that flag. Give me that.
We still have yet to capture a flag. I got spotted. The last thing I wanted. Someone's right there. Why do people say the 5.7 sucks?
It doesn't.
Okay, Matter Trees.
Dude, he keeps moving like a tryhard.
They're going to get our flag.
I'm protecting it more
I'm
than
out.
capturing the flag.
I'm out in
because
the open. Come
won't
get
help
me. I have a pistol. Oh, Sobred or Sobird. However you say his name. I'm gonna run back to the flag. Oh, we're capturing. We got it. We got it. We win.
Wow, I didn't get a single one.
At least we're
Because
protecting
my
it.
teammates suck and they weren't protecting me.
I mean, I was right next to you. I was trying to shoot him off.
Yeah, the pistol doesn't work. It barely helps. Oh my god. I did 60 damage.
I'm just sitting at the flag. Oh, that guy just died. 30 seconds to stay alive.
Yeah, we are gonna win.
I didn't do too bad with just the pistol. And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this YouTube video. And I will be
Oh, sure.
uploading soon later. And goodbye, my fellow subscribers.